Hey, this is Jason Moss with the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance with a couple updates. We want to let you know that we have extended the awards program nominations for the Georgia Manufacturing Awards until August the 31st. Let me encourage you to take just a couple of minutes and make a nomination for this awesome awards program. Our awards program celebrates the people of manufacturing, and there's 4 categories. It's the plant manager, which is pretty self-explanatory, plant manager of the year, frontline, which can be anybody in the manufacturing facility, from the receptionist to somebody working a line, to the custodian. Anybody involved in manufacturing at all is frontline. Those are our 2 individual awards. Our team awards are for team safety and operational excellence. Those are 2 awards that we'll be selecting from, and up to 10 people per team will be recognized at the Georgia Manufacturing Summit on October the 9th. So we really encourage you to go online to georgiamanufacturingawards.com so that you can place your nomination. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes online. It's a real simple online form. Just tell us a little bit about the reason that you think that your candidate should be and receive this kind of recognition. Again, go online to georgiamanufacturingawards.com for all the information. There's a brochure that tells you all about it. It should be coming in the mail to you in the next few days if you're on our mailing list. And also be sure to register for the Georgia Manufacturing Summit for October the 9th. This is a great opportunity for you to highlight and showcase some of the people that help make manufacturing great in Georgia.